Hello, it is like 3 in the afternoon. I was not gonna vlog today because I was up super late last night, like almost 3. Anyway, I was up really late last night. I didn't want to vlog because I was really tired and just kind of like, you know, you don't want to vlog whenever you're tired. But I have been doing so much sculpting and I'm almost done with that wholesale order, so I really thought maybe I could just do a 2-day vlog. So today is going to be over the next couple days, which I know you guys won't care about that. I'm going to put my makeup on real quick. Okay, so anyway, we went red today. Classic red. This color is called Loyal. It is my favorite red. Adam went to get the kids for me. And I just got done sculpting a ton of new charms. And I'm gonna have some coffee. I haven't eaten today. It has just been a weird, slow day. Adam's feeling better. He's got like a weak stomach, as you would expect. I also got new hair sticks. I don't think you can see them. But they are just like kind of rustic, just plain wood sticks. And they're super cute and easy. I love mine. I just don't always want a charm hanging down. So these are just like classic hair sticks.
Hello, Pippa. What we doing? Hi, cutie. Hi.
Also, there are only 3 Beatrix Potter wood charm clubs left, and I can put more up. I just didn't expect more to sell, so thank you guys so much. Let's see, there are 8 Fright Club left, so those aren't selling as quickly, but I didn't really expect them to because not everyone likes all the spooky stuff like I do, and 7 of the Celestial. So thank you guys so much for all of your orders and your support as always. Let me show you guys what I've been making. So these are just the ones that haven't been baked yet, but we have holo skulls. They're super tiny, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, they're the perfect size to go on the end of the bobby pins. So they're gonna be bobby pins and earrings. And then I've got some just classic skulls and hot pink skulls that will also be earrings. And then over here, you guys, so many charms and earrings. We have peaches, earrings, and charms, blackberries, Sally patchwork, some like patchwork bows. Some back here are what I'm gonna call favorite sweaters, and they're very like, they're covered in patches, patchwork ghosts, buttered toast, fallout. So excited for these. It's a big update. It's a big update, but it's not going up until I finish this wholesale order. So it will either be the end of this week or the weekend. I haven't decided yet. I also just got a package and it's something I'm waiting on, something that I was really watching for, and I can't remember now what it was because my brain. So I'm gonna go out and get it and get that order finished. I'm so happy. It is ready to go out tomorrow, as well as pre-orders that are as well as the pre-orders that are due to go out. So yeah, very happy that that's done. I've been in touch with the recipient and we are both so excited for her to receive these and start carrying all these wood charms in her shop. It was my lipstick. I purchased a full size of Doting, which is other than the red lipstick that I'm wearing today, it's the color that is Adam's favorite and that I wear the most. And also, this is why I was excited, I am going to start carrying plastic earring hooks and earring like studs. So those of you that have allergies to like all metals Even the ones that say they are safe, I don't know what I'm doing with my camera. These should work for you. I have a couple ladies with very sensitive ears that have kindly offered to test these for me to make sure, but they are plastic, so I don't know why they would have a reaction. The hooks came, the, what are they called? Are they called spokes? The studs, spikes, whatever, to go through the ear. They are supposed to be here today, but they didn't come with this package. The post office has been real weird today. I've gotten like 4 different deliveries, and it's a small town. There shouldn't have been 4 different times that they dropped things off here, so I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work. I'm going to continue watching Vlogmas. I am absolutely hooked on the Vintage Dreamers Vlogmas, and probably gonna just burn through all the Vlogmases now because it has made me so cheerful and just cozy feeling, and I was up way too late last night watching it. I was up till about midnight watching Vlogmas and working on this order, and then I was up till 3. The kids both got up and I was checking on Adam, and then I just couldn't sleep because I was trying to sleep on a couch so I didn't get sick, and I ended up just going back to our bed. I was like, I have already been around the kids when they were sick. I can wash my hands. I want to sleep in my bed. So this is one of the earring designs. It's gonna have the plastic black hoop, and then these are the 2 dangly parts. There's a bow and a skull. Then we have patchwork ghosts, Sally hearts, patchwork bows, the favorite sweaters. Here are some like grungy radiations, Fallout symbols, buttered toast earrings, peaches earrings. Here are some just like patchwork studs. So they're really little. I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep one of those. Blackberry studs and blackberry dangles for earrings. It's a lot of earrings this time just because I'm so excited about these plastic ones. Here's a barrette, bat skeleton, some bat wings for bobby pins, some more bows, just some classic black bows that I thought would be really classy as studs. So yeah, and then I have the rest of the skulls in the oven. It is a couple days later now because I just didn't feel well yesterday. I'm not sick, I just didn't feel well. I also didn't put my necklaces on, I just noticed. I'm like naked, it's weird. But I am packaging orders today, and I was working on club stuff, which is nice. I have a breakout all over my face. It's been a weird week. Why?
It said elementary gym.
Yeah. That's where you have PE,
Alright, so before I close up my studio for the night, I am going to glue all of these studs with these new plastic spokes, which means there will be no metal for those of you that have allergy or metal allergies. So I'm hoping that these work and give people more options for wearing earrings from my shop. Okay, now I'm going to make spicy ramen because Adam and I are hungry and we haven't actually eaten yet today, and it's 4:40.